As a spice manufacturer, you must be acquiring raw material from different regions, crushing it and making it into fine powders. Then must be mixing all the ingredients with your secret ingredient as well. Thereafter, the final masala would be sent from store to production floor. The powders must be undergoing different quality checks as well, and finally must be sent for packaging in pouches to ultimately large cartons. But how do you analyze that? How much raw material to acquire in order to manufacture one pouch? And how much will you produce when you don't have visibility of available stocks lying in floor, transit and even in WIP stage? How are you ensuring that your cartons doesn't cross the expiry date at warehouse itself? How do you ensure that wrong items are not delivered? How are you saving your employees doing duplicate manual entries? Let's look for a solution. Eazy ERP, India's first tally and busy integrated ERP, which will take care of shelf life management, recipe management, MRP planning, BOM level consumption. Also providing eagle eye view, from batch-wise tracking to customer order tracking to even rejection tracking. With attractive system-generated reports and extensive barcode functionality. Now streamline your operations. Automate your business process. Reduce your wastage, increase your productivity, and hence get higher profitability. Want to know more? Book free demo now.